Rita was a 30-year-old woman. She lived alone in a small house. One evening, Rita was reading a book. She heard the sound of thunder. She looked out of the window. Suddenly, she saw something strange. There was a shadow moving outside. It was dark, and Rita could not see clearly. Her heart started to beat fast. She felt nervous. The shadow disappeared. Rita thought maybe it was just the wind. But then she heard a knock on the door. Rita felt scared. She did not open the door. Instead, she looked through the peephole. There was no one outside. The rain fell harder, and Rita felt more uneasy. She checked all the doors and windows. Everything was locked. Rita tried to calm herself, but something felt wrong. She sat back down and continued reading. But then her phone rang. Rita picked it up. "Hello?" she asked. There was no answer, only heavy breathing. Rita quickly hung up. She looked out of the window again. This time, she saw a man standing in the yard, looking at her. Rita was terrified. She tried to call the police, but her phone did not work. The man moved closer to the house. Rita ran to the back door. She tried to open it, but it was locked. The man was getting closer. Then she heard a voice behind her. "You should not have looked out the window." Rita turned around. No one was there. The man was gone. But Rita felt scared. She locked all the doors and windows again. She sat quietly in the dark, waiting for morning to come.